Hey everyone, welcome to Easy WordPress tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create custom footer using Elementor. So I'm already logged into my WordPress dashboard. If I go to my website, here you can see right now my footer don't have anything, so my footer looks ugly. So I want to change my footer. I want some custom footer to add in my website. So let's get started. To add custom footer in your WordPress website using Elementor, first go to templates and then theme builder, and here footer, and now you have to create a custom footer. So add new footer, and here you have to give it a name. So I am going to give it custom footer and then click create template. Here you can see there are lots of footer that is pre-made template that you can add in your website. So here on the right side you can see Pro, which means I am using Elementor Pro. So I think I like this design. So what I have to do is just click on this insert button. Is added in your WordPress site, so you can make changes like you can edit the text, you can make changes about this navigation as well. You can change almost everything, whatever you like. So next step is you have to click on publish and then click on add condition, and here make sure that you have selected this entire site and then save and close. Check my website again. Now here you can see my website has a really nice footer. So that's all guys. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any further updates when I upload new video. Thanks for today.